Kevin Dalley, Total Cost Involved Engineering. Today I'm going to give you a little shop tour. We're going to do a piece at a time. We're going to start with our chassis shop. The chassis shop is extremely interesting. There's a lot going on back here. We're building and shipping one complete chassis a day. Last year was actually 1.2 a day. We work back here, single piece workflow. Every chassis we build is made to order. It's got specifics for that customer's needs. You'll see behind me the rails are a 4-piece laser cut rail. They start life on a plasma cutter as a plain sheet. We will take and cut those rails, exact contour fit to the original Henry Ford schematic. The rails you're looking at now are the 55-9 Chevy truck. Again, exact spec rail, but with the addition of 2x8 thickness instead of 2x6. The C-notch is already there. If it's a step chassis, the step is already there. All the cab mounts will be on it, the bed holes. Okay guys, this is one of our main rail fixtures here. This will be the outside 3 pieces, the skeleton of the rail. After they clamp the pieces in this fixture, this will become the outside rail. It'll come out of this fixture, get weld nuts installed. From there, it'll get laid up with the boxing plate. Here you see them laying up the boxing plate, setting the gap perfectly so that when they start welding it, it'll be the same consistent rail through and through. It's a very tedious process, but it ensures that this rail will be straight when it's done. You'll notice a 2-man team welding on the rail. These guys are in sync. They know what heat is going to do to this rail. They know how it's going to cool, so that when they're done, they won't have a pretzel. There is over 40 feet of welding in a pair of pickup truck rails. After the frame rails have been completely welded, they'll go into the grinding room. Once in the grinding room, they'll grind up all 4 corners, make this thing gorgeous. As you can see, there's one set of rails getting ground. The other set is getting detailed. The detailed rail will be for one of our display chassis going to the Good Guys show. It will be powder coated and finished, so we'll detail it before and after the weld process to ensure that it's as absolutely as smooth as we can get it. Okay, so after the rails are done in the grinding room, they will get placed into a fixture. Once in that fixture, we lay up the front and rear cross members, the X member. All the welding they can get to will be done. Once they finish welding, it'll come up out of the fixture, get rotated, and then we'll start doing engine and tranny mounts. Again, you'll notice a 2-man team. The 2-man team is very efficient. They check each other's work. It's always quality first. And yeah, we're car guys, so it's always a race. So you can do a better job faster. It's kind of built into our DNA. It also ensures our lead times. We are typically 4 weeks from order entry to out the door, and we're talking about a complete rolling chassis for your project. Okay, so after it comes out of the fixture, we'll put the engine and tranny mounts in it. Again, they're always made to order, so this particular one's actually got a big block Chevy and a 4L80. It's also got a big back tire, so we've narrowed the rails. Put a drive shaft hoop in it, step the rear cross member. It's going to have a tall, wide back tire, old style Pro Street. Yeah, Pro Street is not dead, in case you didn't know. Then we've done a manual brake setup on this one. All of our chassis get plumbed in stainless. They're all plumbed by hand. There'll be nut certs in the chassis, aluminum clamps to hold the lines on. All the in-end fittings are anodized black. Precision 37-degree single flares. Now this year is our 45th anniversary celebration. Ed Moss started this company in 1974 building the Model A chassis. It covered the 28 to 31 Fords, quickly moved up into the 32s and the 34 Fords, This here is the Model A. You're seeing the stepped rail, the narrowed design. It's what we call the razor narrow. Lowers the back of the vehicle, allows for a sway bar. There is room in there for a little 7-inch dual booster, dual master. Everywhere we have cut the rails, we gusseted the rails for strength. This particular chassis is set up for a straight axle, old school, front crossmember stamp with 6 degrees in it, raised 1 inch in the center, shock mounts tilted back at 6 degrees so we can have 6 degrees of positive caster laid up in the axle so the car will go nice and straight down the road. It's our 45th year and we're very proud of our heritage, very proud to be in the industry. One thing I need to mention is we are the only company with a 6-year, 60,000-mile warranty on wear items, lifetime warranty on all welded items, spindles, A-arms, forelinks, etc. We also cover the Curry 9-inch forward rear end with our 6-year, 60,000-mile warranty. That Curry rear end will come with 31 spline axles, nodular iron case, all brand new parts, all welded in-house. When we say a complete chassis, it is complete front to rear. When building your chassis, we pride ourselves in single-piece workflow. You saw the flow in the back shop. Once it comes out of the back shop, it's on a skid, ready to ship. Our sister shop has already prepared the front and rear suspension pieces, tied them down to a pallet as well, so once it's at this stage, it's ready to ship. Now this is this week's production. You notice there's 6 or 8 of them. That is very typical for what we do in a week. The Pro Street chassis you saw in the back shop is coming together quickly. Now here is the pallet of parts that will go with it. You'll notice a narrowed up Curry 9-inch, nodular iron race case, 1350 billet yoke. This particular build has 35 spline axles, Willwood 4-wheel disc brakes, 11-inch to clear the 15-inch wheels. We supply you with the gear oil, the posi additive, brake fluid. Again, when we say complete chassis, it is absolutely complete. Behind me you see our high-def plasma cutter. We cut most everything in-house. We also bend it, form it, weld it in-house. That way we can give you the highest quality American steel. That's how we can give you the 6-year, 60,000-mile warranty on wear items and a lifetime warranty on our steel products like our spindles, our A-arms, our frame rails. Anything we weld together is going to be covered in that warranty. Any of the wear items, we're using Timken bearings, we're using energy suspension bushings, Ride-Tech billet coilovers with their 1,001,000-mile warranty, Curry Enterprises rear ends with their 60,000-mile warranty. These are the companies that we've partnered with to ensure you get the highest quality product, the best warranty in the business, and the quickest delivery time. Our business model is to make your dreams a reality within 2 to 4 weeks of order. We get the order in, we've already got inventory of frame rails, we've got rear ends in stock, we've got brake kits in stock. That's why we're able to put it all together so quickly to ensure your project gets moving as fast as we could possibly do it. To get your chassis home in 2 to 4 weeks ensures that by next year, you could possibly be driving that truck or car instead of talking about it. That's what we do here at Total Cost Involved. That's the way we want our projects to roll, and that's how we're going to make your project roll. Quality doesn't cost, it pays.